Christmas and Merry Christmas. Glory to God in the highest and peace to people of goodwill. Today, we celebrate Christmas, the historical coming of God among us. God so loved the world that He sent His Son to be with us. Christmas brings joy. Christmas brings cheer. Christmas is most truly Christmas when we celebrate it by giving the light of love to those who need it most. God never gives someone a gift they are not capable of receiving. If He gives us the gift of Christmas, it is because we all have the ability to understand and receive it. Our spirits are lifted high at the blessed season of Christmas. The birth of Jesus is dawned. It's my tremendous honor to welcome you all on this joyful and holy celebration of Christmas. Christmas is a season of love and harmony. Christmas brings joy and happiness to all, irrespective of age and religion. Christmas reminds us that we should stick to essential aspects of humankind. In other words, it gives us the opportunity to share and to offer what we have to the other, especially the less fortunate. The sole message of Christmas is love and sacrifice. This Christmas is a very special one because we are in pandemic and facing the unseen enemy, COVID-19. The schools are closed and you students are not able to meet your friends and share your joy with each other. There is a breakdown in social life of the people and communities. Every year we have Christmas celebrations in our school and you students used to participate with joy and eagerness. This pandemic year, we, your teachers, are going to reach you the message of Christmas through the school YouTube channel. Let us wish and pray that the little babe of Bethlehem, wrapped in swaddling cloths, lying in a manger, become an inspiration for us to reach out to those affected by COVID and poverty. Let these celebrations of Christmas bring us more closer to the broken humanity to work hand in hand to bring peace and joy. Before we begin our program, let's invoke the blessings of God through a prayer song. and teacher. Now I call upon our correspondent, Reverend Sister Marina, to convey Christmas greetings to us.
My dear students, teachers and parents, I am extremely happy to be present here today for this semi-Christmas celebration. I am also a little sad because your presence are not here physically. The speciality of Christmas is this festival is celebrated, that is the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ is celebrated every year on 25th of December. This is celebrated not only in India and every part of the world. Jesus, when he comes to this world, he brings the special spiritual gifts for each one of us. He brings peace, happiness, love, and also this year very specifically the prevention from the COVID-19 for all of us. It is my prayer and wish for all of you that may the child Jesus, that is the baby Jesus, will bless you with his choicest blessings of peace, joy, happiness, and hope. I also wish for all of you for the new year that Jesus will bless you with all good hope for the future and will keep you always in good cheer in the years to come. We wish you that all of you will have a bright future. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your blessings and greetings. I take this privilege to invite our beloved HM onto the dais to deliver Christmas message.
My dear students, teachers, parents and friends, wish you all a happy Christmas and Merry Christmas. You can dream, create and design. Everything is possible when people are with us. But this Christmas is a special one. We, your beloved teachers, making a space to inspire you, to make you better person, to give the message of Christmas. We try in our own little way to make this Christmas most memorable one. Dear parents and dear students and teachers, Christmas is a feast of sharing with one another, sharing our joys, our peace, our harmony to the people around. And I think this Christmas is a special one, as we have gone to the village of Amritapuram and we have shared with them our joy, our happiness. So this Christmas is really a meaningful one. So my dear students, as you are in your homes celebrating Christmas along with your parents, may this Christmas be a joyful one, a happy one, and this is one of the best Christmas which you enjoy with good health, peace and harmony. And in this season, I also extend a happy new year because we may not get another chance to meet you all. So on this day we celebrate Christmas, the birth of Jesus. Wish you all a very happy Christmas and happy new year. May this Christmas bring you good tidings and happiness in the coming year and in the coming days. Once again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thank you, sister, for your valuable and inspiring message. Christmas began in the heart of God. It is complete only when it reaches the heart of each one of us. So, dear friends, here we are to take you all to Bethlehem to witness how God expressed His love to the broken humanity by sending His only begotten Son into this world. Here we go.
ఆదిలో వాక్కు ఉండెను, ఆ వాక్కు దేవుని యొద్ద ఉండెను, ఆ వాక్కు దేవుడై ఉండెను. ఆయన ఆది నుండి దేవుని యొద్ద ఉండెను. ఆయన మూలమున దేవుడు సమస్తమును సృజించెను. ఆయన లేకుండా సృష్టిలో ఏదీ చేయబడలేదు. ఆయన యందు జీవము ఉండెను. ఆ జీవము మానవులకు వెలుగాయెను. ఆ వెలుగు చీకటిలో ప్రకాశించుచున్నది. చీకటి దానిని గ్రహించలేదు. దేవుడు ఒక మనుష్యుని పంపెను. అతని పేరు యోహాను. తన మూలమున అందరూ విశ్వసించుటకు అతడు ఆ వెలుగులకు సాక్ష్యమయ్య వచ్చెను. అతడు ఆ వెలుగులకు సాక్ష్యమయ్య వచ్చినే కానీ అతడు మాత్రము ఆ వెలుగు కాదు. అది ఏ నిజమైన వెలుగు. ఆ వెలుగు లోకమునకు వచ్చి ప్రతి మానవులకు వెలుతురును ఇచ్చుతున్నది. యోహాను ఆయనను గూర్చి సాక్ష్యం ఇచ్చుచు ఎలుగెత్తి,
నా తరువాత వచ్చు వ్యక్తి నాకంటే శ్రేష్ఠుడు. ఏలైనా ఆయన జన్మింపుక పూర్వమే నుండి ఉన్నవాడు. ఆయనను గూర్చియే నేను మీతో చెప్పినది అని పలికెను. ఆయన పరిపూర్ణత నుండి మనమందరము అనుగ్రహమును పరంపరముగా పొంది ఉన్నాము. మోషే మూలమున వసకబడినది ధర్మశాస్త్రము, యేసుక్రీస్తు మూలమున వచ్చినది కృపా సత్యములు. ఎవరును ఎప్పుడును దేవుని చూడలేదు, కానీ తండ్రి వక్షస్థలమున ఉన్న జనదేక దేవుడే ఆయనను ఎరుకపరచెను.
రక్షకుడు దయించినాడు, యేసయ్య జన్మించినాడు, రక్షకుడు దయించినాడు.
తూర్పు దేశపు జ్ఞానులు